Welcome to KaiScissors.com. I'm DIY designer Jane Monzures. Today we're talking about serrated scissors, but first we need to answer the question, what are serrated scissors? Serration of the edge is for gripping, not to be confused with altering the edge of fabric like pinking shears. The reason you use serrated scissors is for control. You get a better hold of the fabric while cutting in a turn. And because the serrated edge is for gripping, it won't let the fabric slide out of the blade during the cut. The best uses for serrated scissors are for wool applique, silks, satins, and other slippery fabrics. And the good news, serrated scissors can be sharpened and re-serrated. There you have it, serrated scissors for optimal grip and control. We want you to have the best tools for all your sewing projects. So for sharp, smooth, fatigue-free cutting, you'll find what you need right here at KaiScissors.com.